Salamalaikum. I'm a Uyghur Muslim writer from China. My name is Anran. I want to introduce the incident of Weizhou Mosque. The mosque is in northwest China. There are a lot of Muslims, including Uyghur Muslim and Uyghur Muslim. There are more than 20 million Muslims in China. Weizhou Grand Mosque has 600 years history. It was ever a Chinese style of building, but it was demolished by Chinese communists during the Cultural Revolution. Now, new Weizhou Grand Mosque is rebuilt 3 years ago. It's a Islamic style of building this time. Chinese communists don't like this style. They often criticize Uyghur Muslim is Arabization, Islamization. Chinese communists order Muslims must be sinisized. So Weizhou Grand Mosque becomes a crime. The authorities want to demolish it. We Muslims are protecting it. Riot police already besieged Muslims in mosque. We Muslim really is a minority to be close to Chinese Han majority. We defend this country in every anti-aggression war. Japanese invaders promise to help Uyghur Muslim for building up own state, but Uyghur Muslim generals rejected them. So when Chinese oppose us, we are very, very sad. We Muslims are peaceful protesting in Weizhou Mosque through net. We ask for fairness. We ask for help. May Allah bless us. Bless you. Amen.